Hey Parkview Elementary staff. This year, the PBIS committee has made a decision to recognize outstanding students once a month. This eliminates the custom date range that you would see when you're looking at your PBIS spreadsheet. Here's how to collect the data you are going to need to recognize your students. On ClassDojo, go to the Options section and you can see a drop-down menu. Select View Reports. And then on the far left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see Students and a drop-down menu next to the word First Name. Click on the drop-down menu and go to Highest Combined. Once you click on Highest Combined, ClassDojo is going to rank in order from the most to the least the number of positive dojo points your students have received. Now, of course, I'm looking at this week. If I go and click on this week, I'm going to go to this month, September. Click on that, and again, it's going to rank my students from highest to lowest. So if I take a look at my ClassDojo, I see that Abby, Lorelei, Case, Sawyer, and Nora are my top 5 students. From there, I'm going to go into my spreadsheet, and I am going to give each of those students a 1 to show that I have had them recognized for outstanding. And if I take a look on the far right-hand side of my spreadsheet, I'm going to see that this should be keeping a running total of the total number of times that my students have been recognized. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to a PBIS team member or reach out to a Dojo Diva. Thanks. Have a great day.